Hi there, welcome to Little Toys for Big Kids. I'm going to show you a McDonald's Happy Meal Canadian exclusive Jim Henson's Muppet Baby animal toy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to tell if you got the right accessory for your toy. Hey there, are you into collecting McDonald's Happy Meal toys? Or maybe you're into collecting exclusives that were just regional? Or maybe you like Jim Henson Muppet Babies? Well, I got a quick tip video here for you so that you can make sure that you get the right accessory for your baby animal. Upon a quick scan, you might say, oh wow, look, there's two complete vintage baby animal in his original accessory wagon. But you're not quite correct. Now, before I go any further, I do want to make one thing clear. I am making reference to the toys being made in 1986 because if you look at the date that's printed on the figure, it says 1986. And if you look at the date that's printed on the correct accessory for the figure, it also says 1986. But that doesn't mean that they were released at McDonald's in 1986. Back in the 80s, test market Happy Meals were released on a very limited basis in small areas to test the popularity of the toys and to see whether or not a nationwide promotion was warranted. Now, McDonald's doesn't do that so much anymore, but it is very possible that these toys were sculpted and produced and made in 1986 and then distributed in 1987. So here's Baby Animal. He's from 1986. You can see the approximate size. He is a solid PVC figure. As you can see here, he's all one piece. And he comes with this separate wagon. He can come out of the wagon. The wagon's wheels move, as you can see, and the handle goes up and down, which is nice because otherwise it might be difficult to get him into the wagon without, hurting him. So here he is. Now this is the right one. This is the 1986 animal with the 1986 matching wagon. As you can see, the wheels are red with yellow insides. The handle is yellow and T-shaped. This is the right accessory for your 1986 Muppet Babies McDonald's Canada exclusive baby animal figure. And this one, even though it looks similar, is actually not the correct accessory. Now, it doesn't matter if this is what you've got and you're happy with it in your collection, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you're going to be a stickler and you want to make sure you have the right piece with the right piece, then this is what you're looking for. The wheels here are yellow with red on the inside, and that's different from the one that is red with yellow. The handle is T-shaped, but you can see there's a little bit of a bump there, like a little bit of a rounded shape. Whereas on the original one, it is straight. Now, you might be saying, why is this looking like this? They're so similar. Yeah, they're similar because they're both made by McDonald's. This was made for the 1987 Berenstain Bears set, and this wagon belongs with Sister Bear. Now, again, there's nothing wrong with using this wagon for your baby animal, if that's what you've got, but this is the correct one if you want to make sure you have the right accessory piece with the right toy. Now, did you know that there's also a difference between the Baby Gonzo toy that was released for the 1986 McDonald's Happy Meal that was released for the US market as opposed to the Canadian market? They're different. Do you want to know the difference? Click on this video here and I'll show you how to tell the difference. And did you know that there's a difference between the Baby Miss Piggy toy that was released for the US McDonald's Happy Meal toys and the Canadian one? Yeah, there's a difference. It's small, but I'll show you how to tell the difference. Just click on this video here and I'll show you. It's really easy, and once you know what you're looking for, it'll be really simple for you to tell. Now, I hope that I was able to help you today. Please like, please subscribe. I'm happy to show you more tips and tricks, and I'm glad I was able to help you today.